In this video, I will be showing you one of the anthropometric measurements, the skin fold assessment. You will need a skin fold caliper and a marker to locate the sites. We will be measuring 7 skin fold sites: the chest and pectoral, mid-axillary, subscapular, abdominal, suprailiac, triceps, and thigh. You should avoid obtaining measurements immediately following exercise. The purpose of this assessment is to determine body fat percentage by measuring subcutaneous fat skin fold thickness. After obtaining all 7 skin fold sites, you will use a generalized skin fold equation to determine body density. The chest pectoral site is 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for men, or 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for women. The mid-axillary is on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. An alternate method is a horizontal fold taken at the level of the xiphoid sternal border in the mid-axillary line. For women, you might need to move clothing out of the way to obtain a reading. For the subscapular site, you can have your client place their arm behind to locate the scapula. Make sure you place the arm back to the side of the body when measuring. This is 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. The abdominal site is 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. You can have the client point to their iliac crest. The suprailiac site is immediately superior to the iliac crest. The thigh site will be located on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. The tricep site will be located on the posterior midline of the upper arm, halfway between the acromion and the olecranon process, with the arm held freely to the side of the body. The tricep will be a vertical fold measurement. The chest or pectoral site is a diagonal fold measurement. The mid-axillary site is a vertical fold measurement. The subscapular site is a diagonal fold at a 45-degree angle. The abdominal site is a vertical fold measurement. The suprailiac site is a diagonal fold, in line with the natural angle. The thigh is a vertical fold measurement. Be sure to have the client place all of their weight on the left leg. After calculating the average for each skin fold site, use the client's measurement and validated skin fold equations to estimate percentage body fat. There are 2 7-site formulas, one for males and one for females. After calculating body density, You can use a conversion of body density to body composition using the Brozek or the Siri equation.